Good morning. This is Dr. Tejasvi here, consultant cardiothoracic surgeon and clinical head at Fortis Malar Hospital, Adayar, Chennai. Today I wish you all a World Heart Day. When we say a World Heart Day, we observe this day because today we are finding a lot of coronary artery disease and heart problems in younger as well as older generation. So this day is mainly observed so that people come to know about handling heart diseases as well as to have a healthy heart lifestyle. Why do we have so much of unhealthy or coronary artery disease and heart related issues in all age groups in the Indian subcontinent? It is because that we are going towards unhealthy lifestyle, that is lack of sleep, lack of exercise, unhealthy food habits, having junk foods and lack of exposure to sunlight. All these leads to fastening of the atherosclerosis process. So what is atherosclerosis? Atherosclerosis is a disease of the blood vessel by which there is development of plaques and blocks in the blood vessels of the body. So specifically we come to know about heart problems because the blood vessels are of small diameters. They are small in their caliber, usually around 2 to 3 millimeter, especially in the Indian subcontinent where the caliber is smaller. And patients, because of their poor lifestyle as well as comorbidities, develop blocks and plaques in the blood vessels. So how are we to prevent these? Prevention is always better than cure. So by handling a preventive lifestyle, we prevent getting these heart related issues. So comorbidities like blood sugar and hypertension has to be well managed with medications as well as lifestyle modification. We'll have to have better exercise, walking, and good amount of sleep. Good amount of sleep rejuvenates our body and decrease the stress levels by doing yoga and meditations. So all these leads to improvement in the overall lifestyle and and having a healthy heart. So today we have to I'm telling you a little bit about coronary artery disease and their problems because of that. See, patients develop something called a minor acute coronary syndrome because of these blocks in the blood vessels and leads to heart attack. So heart attack, what is a heart attack? Heart attack is an condition in which there is a low blood supply to the heart leading to infarction, that is a cell death of the heart muscles. So how can we prevent it? Prevention is by early identification of these diseases. When patients develop either chest pain or breathlessness on walking or dizziness, that is syncope on walking or exercise, have to consult their local doctors, local physicians to find out what they are suffering from. Why is the dyspnea or the chest pain due to, and adequately get it treated. So by doing so, we are preventing a major event like heart attack. So once heart attack has presented, so the patients have to be diagnosed what kind of an heart attack they are having, whether there is an ST elevation MI, a major heart attack, or a non-ST elevation or unstable angina, which is a minor heart attack. So why do we call it as a major heart attack and minor heart attack in a normal common man language is that because in a major heart attack there is a cell death. There is a lack of due to lack of blood supply to a particular territory of heart muscle. There is loss of activity of a region of heart muscle, leading to decrease in the ejection fraction. So that leads to low amount of blood being pumped to the body. That is what we call it as ejection fraction. In a non-ST elevation or MI or unstable angina, which we call it as minor heart attack, there is no major cell death, but there is an impending cell death which can be prevented by an early revascularization by either an angioplasty or an bypass surgery. So the treatment of all these coronary artery disease which has been identified by doing an angiogram is either we do angioplasty for minor blocks in single vessel or double vessel, we do an angioplasty. If there are more than number of blocks, more than 2 or 3 vessels, then the patient needs to undergo bypass surgery. So let's not lead an generation which has a poor heart due to a poor lifestyle. We all have to improve our lifestyle and prevent heart diseases. So today, on this heart day, let us all vouch to have a healthy heart and work towards having a good healthy heart. Thank you.